6 for EUP 1501, semester number 1 for 2020. Yeah, the corona year, the coronavirus year. Yeah. So this is the assignment, and these are the set of instructions now. I printed out these instructions, so I won't be going back and forth to the instructions and the assignment, so that I can do this video in a short amount of time. I'm just trying to show you how the assignment was done. Didn't manage to do this video on time. I had a lot of students to help this semester, not only for EUP, for BBT, AFL, and other modules. So if you want help with this module, or with any module like for BBT, AFL, SJD, CAS, just feel free to contact me or using those numbers on the video. We have a EUP WhatsApp group right now. Just talk to me on WhatsApp actually, né? So that I can add you on the WhatsApp group, so that we can see how we can help some of the students without paying. But those who need help, who know they won't be able to do this, or after looking at the assignments they can see this is difficult for them, we can help you for a price. It's negotiable. Just feel free to talk to us and contact us, so that we can see how can we help you. We can do the whole module for you. We can do my IT lab assignments for you. We can do the discussion assignments for you if that's what you want. We can do some assignments that you think are difficult for you. Just contact us, and then we can talk about those details. So it's not a crime, guys. It's not a bad thing. We're just trying to help those who cannot do the assignment, and those who feel like it's a lot of time, it's consuming, because we have to submit assignments each and every week with this module. But for this year, at least, you got a little bit of breathing space, even though some students failed to do the assignments. But then at least you got a little bit of breathing space with those extensions. Yeah, so I will try to make these videos on time this coming semester. We'll try to help students on time with this semester, so that we will be able to cover a lot of students. There are those students, let's say students, even though they are who are working, you'll find out they cannot do these assignments. They don't have time. So that's where we come in. We help those students. They pay us a little bit of this and this, and then we help them. So it's not that bad. Those who can do it, you can do it. It's fine, and then we will assist you where we can. So this is the assignment that we are supposed to do for 2020. This is assignment number 6. There are actually 10 assignments for this module. The 10th assignment is the portfolio. We'll get to that one a little bit later, but then let's just try to focus on this one. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, because we are going to make more videos of these assignments. And then you can go to Facebook and like our Facebook page, which is Best Educate Tutors. We are trying to establish ourselves, just a group of graduates trying to establish a little bit of a side let's say side business to see how we can help students to get through these online modules. Actually, we do most of online modules. Yes. So let's get to the assignment. So these are the instructions, and this is the assignment. So I'll be reading out the instructions, and then I'll do the instruction on the assignment, and then we go on from there. The first instruction here is replace all occurrence of the text diamond head. This text, we're replacing all occurrence of this text diamond head with Kilauea and then change the layout of slide 1 to title slide. So with the first instruction they say we must replace, we come here to replace. We are replacing what? Diamond head with what? We come here, Delaware, and then we say replace. You are done. You see, diamond head has been replaced with Delaware, and then you go to layout, you change the slide to title slide. That is the first instruction. 5 marks for that. Apply the retrospect theme with gray variant and third variant with using the gray variant, third variant color in the variant groups. Okay, in the variant group. Okay, we are applying the retrospect theme. There are many ways to apply this retrospect theme, but the way I do it, just come to design. These are the themes. You can go through these themes, and then you'll find the retrospect theme, which is it's loading. And this thing is this one. Yes, so you can apply it through here, but then the way I apply it, I go to browse. I first go to variant color. By myself, I first go to variant color, and then you change the to grayscale, isn't it? That's what they said. And then I came here, browse for themes, and then I go to that document that I downloaded. I go to the document that I downloaded, which is this one, and then this is the retrospect theme that we are supposed to apply. You select it, it is applied. That's how it is. And then you are done with this instruction. Change the slide size to widescreen. You come here, you're still on the same design page, and then you go to widescreen 16:9. You change it to there, and they say you must display slide number 3. We are now at instruction number 5. You must display slide number 3. This is slide number 3. It is on display. Open the reuse slide pane, and then from the downloaded grader files, browse for and display presentation go PO1 grader slide. So we are going to display that PO1 grader slide from the reuse slide pane. So the reuse slide pane, you can find it under insert, under the new slides. This is the reuse, or you can find it under home, new slide. This is the reuse slide pane. So let's use here under insert, and then you say it reuse slide pane. Okay, you are supposed to browse, and then you are supposed to select, go to the downloaded grader files, which is the one that I'm talking about, and then you go, you select this go PO1 grader slide, and then you open. It will display the file here. This is the file. You select it, it goes in, and then you close. You are done with this. So they said keep format, clear the keep format, keep source formatting checkbox. It was already cleared. Most of the time it's already cleared on that reuse slide page, so there was no need for me to clear it there. And then we go to instruction number 6, display slide number 5. This is slide number 5. In either slide pane or in slide outline, increase the least level of second bullet. This is the second bullet. You go to home, you increase the least level of the second bullet. You just click once. Okay, as it is like that, and then you add the following 2 additional bullets at the same list size. Okay, you press enter. You go to the end of the first bullet, press enter, where study, comma, covered choose, press enter. The second bullet, expect uneven terrain. Okay, that's it. That's the instruction number. That's instruction number 6. With instruction number 7, with slide 5 still on display, select the text holder in the contact. Okay, the text in the contact holder and change the line spacing to 20. In the note pane, type the following notes. Follow all tour precautions and guidelines. Include the period. The period is a full comma. So we say we are supposed to select this on the contact holder, and then we increase the spacing to 2.0. Here it is on there. And then the next thing it says on the note pane. Okay, this is the notes pane. You are supposed to type the following: follow all tour precautions and guidelines, and then with a full stop, and then you select the notes pane again so that it disappears. It goes to the background. So we go to instruction number 8. Display slide number 2. This is slide number 2. Select the paragraph of text and then change the font color to black. The paragraph of text is this one. You change the font color to black. You change it to black. That's how it's supposed to be. And then text 1 minus in the second column. In the second column, first row. 1. You see? That's how it is. And then change the font size to 20. You change, select this contact, and then you change the font size to 20. Okay, that's instruction number 8. Instruction number 9, in the same paragraph, change the line spacing to 1.5. With this paragraph still selected, you change the line space to 1.5. There you go. And then center the paragraph. You center this one. They say you must center the title. You come to title and then you center the title. So we are done with instruction. We are in the instruction number 9. We're done with it. We are going to instruction number 10. With slide 2 still displayed in the contact placeholder, we are still in slide 2. Here on the right, from your downloaded grader file, insert the picture Go grader, Go PO grader lava. Format the picture with metal frame style and marker artistic effect. We insert the picture here. Here, you come here, you insert in the picture. You go to the downloaded grader files, which is this one. This is Go PO grader lava, and then you say insert, and then you format the picture to metal, which is this one, metal frame, and then you go to artistic marker effects here, and then you select this marker. You go to marker artistic effect. So this is the artistic effect. You go to marker, which is this one, marker artistic effect. So these are the type of things they try to do to confuse students. They say that format the picture to metal frame picture style. You will just come here and then you select, but then they say that marker artistic effect. So you have to make sure that you understand what they supposed to. You are supposed to insert the artistic effect called a marker. So that's what we did. Okay, number 11, instruction number 11. We're almost done. Delete slide number 3. You go to slide number 3. You delete this slide. Move slide 4 so that it is positioned before slide 3. You take this slide, you hold it with your right, with your left click, you move it. It is positioned before slide number 3. That's how it's supposed to be. And then display slide number 4. You display slide number 4, and then apply soft edge rectangular picture style. Soft edge rectangular picture style. The picture in this slide is this one. You just have to select this one, and then you go to format, and then you apply the soft edge rectangular picture style. This is the soft edge rectangular picture style, so you apply that one. Number 13, with slide 4 displayed, insert a new slide with section header layout. With this one still in display, insert the new slide. You go to insert with section header layout. This is the section header layout. There it is. Type the following. You type visit. Okay, so you make sure that you type the way it is shown on the document. The caps letter, the whatever it's shown there, you have to type it. We are typing this one in the we type the clear majestic level in the title holder, and then in the placeholder we type on your next trip to the big island. Okay, we are done with instruction number 13. We are going to number 14. Apply the uncover transition and change effect from option to from top. You go to transition. They say we must apply the uncover transition, which is this one, uncover transition, and then you say from top. Yes, and change the timing. And change the timing by increasing the duration to 1 comma. We are changing the timing here to 1,25. There it is. And then apply transition to all slides. Apply to all. That's it. 10 marks for that. 10 marks for that only. Insert header and footer on the notes and hangouts. Include the date and time updated automatically. Page number. Footer with the text level presentation. Then apply to all slides. Okay. They say we're supposed to insert header and footer under notes and hanger with time and dates updated automatically, with page number, which is there, and footer with text presentation. That's it, and then apply to all. Basically we are done with this assignment. Not basically, we are done with this assignment. This is how it's supposed to be. For that you get 100%, no doubt. For that you get 100%, no doubt. This is how it's supposed to look like. So guys, thank you for your time. Since I'm a little bit free, I'll be doing videos as much as I can to help students understand the process of this module, like starting from assignment 1, the discussion assignments, how you do them, what is expected of you, and going to downloading those grader files on my IT lab. So just make sure you follow my Facebook page, which is Best Educate Tutors. It's a new page, so we're trying to establish the page. So, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get notifications for other videos that are to follow. because we're still going to make a lot of videos for EUP, BBT, CAS, SJD, all those online modules that we actually have uh, on our list right now. So there are some modules that we will add. If we find more modules that we can help students with, we add those modules to the list. So thank you guys very much. Subscribe to the video and subscribe to the channel actually, and then we'll make more videos for you guys. Thank you very much.